Welcome to a rapid-fire countdown of nature's strongest bites. We measure bite power in PSI, pounds per square inch. Think of all that force focused on a single square inch. Higher PSI means more crushing, tearing, or piercing power. Some numbers are measured in labs, others estimated by biomechanics. House mouse, 16 PSI. Its teeth never stop growing, so it must gnaw constantly to keep them sharp. Sharp incisors optimized for gnawing. Mice can chew through plastic, wood, and even soft metals. Not for big prey, for seeds, packaging, survival. Their bite can contaminate food stores worldwide, a humble baseline on our PSI scale. But pound for pound, mice are among the most persistent chewers. Small size, big persistence. House mice can jump up to a foot high and squeeze through a hole the size of a pencil. Next, the voracious common shrew, 20 PSI. Shrews have venomous saliva to subdue prey. They eat up to twice their body weight daily. A hyper-metabolic hunter must eat constantly. Shrews can starve to death in just a few hours without food. Bite enough to pierce beetle armor. Some shrews use echolocation clicks to navigate in the dark. Lightning-fast strikes keep it alive. Their heart can beat over 1,000 times per minute. Tiny jaws built for quick kills. Shrews are among the few mammals with venomous bites. Next, domestic cat, 70 PSI. Domestic cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees to pinpoint prey. Their rough tongues can strip meat from bones, designed to pierce, precise, not for crushing. Cats can make over 100 different vocal sounds, can slip canines between vertebrae for a spinal bite. Their whiskers help them judge if they can fit through spaces. Skull and jaw optimized for lethal precision. Domestic cats share 95% of their DNA with tigers. Play rehearses ancient hunting moves. Even well-fed cats hunt for fun and practice. Up next, the human jaws can deliver a bite strong enough to crack nuts and shellfish. Human bite averages around 160 PSI. Our bite is stronger than that of some primates. Powerful masseters give us generalist force. Humans are one of the few mammals that can chew side to side. Incisors, canines, molars, versatility over specialization. Our teeth evolved for both meat and plants. More force than a cat, but spread across molars. Human enamel is the hardest substance in the body, perfect for a varied diet rather than bone crushing. Our jaws are weak compared to our ancient ancestors. Next, the German Shepherd, 238 to 250 PSI. These dogs are used worldwide in police and military work. Their bite can break bones and restrain suspects. Bred for grip, scissor bite keeps pressure locked. They can be trained to release on command. Skull shape and muscles enable sustained clamps. German Shepherds are also known for their intelligence and loyalty. Functional force for protection, biting, and holding. They excel in search and rescue thanks to their strong jaws and stamina. Also used for eating, versatile canine performance. Their bite is both a tool and a weapon. Next, the elusive leopard, about 300 PSI. Leopards are the strongest climbers among big cats. They can drag prey heavier than themselves up into trees, used to suffocate prey and secure kills quickly. Leopards are solitary and fiercely territorial. Power-to-weight ratio lets it haul heavy kills into trees. Their rosettes provide camouflage in dense foliage. Robust skull anchors muscles for both bite and carry. Leopards can leap over 20 feet horizontally. Bite used for hunting and protecting the prize. They are known to stash food in trees to avoid scavengers. Next, the gray wolf, about 400 PSI. Wolves can travel up to 30 miles a day while hunting. Lion, roughly 650 PSI. The king of the savannah, famed for its thunderous roar that can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides, working together to hunt and defend territory. They rely on pride tactics more than raw, bone-crushing power. Males defend the pride, while females do most of the hunting, showcasing a rare example of cooperative predation among big cats. Next, the grizzly, 975 PSI, nearly 1,000. These bears can run up to 35 miles per hour despite their size. Grizzlies play a crucial ecological role by spreading seeds and aerating soil as they dig for roots and insects. Force nearly enough to crush a bowling ball or cast iron. Omnivore dentition, canines, and heavy molars for grinding. Used for both plant processing and bone-crushing carnivory. A defensive weapon, devastating if deployed. Grizzlies hibernate for up to 7 months, surviving on fat reserves built from their powerful foraging. Next, alligator snapping turtle, 1,000 PSI. This turtle can live over 100 years in the wild. Its camouflage shell lets it blend into river bottoms, ambushing prey with lightning-fast strikes. lures fish with a worm-like appendage, jaws snap with mechanical speed and massive force, no teeth, edges form a razor-sharp beak powered by big head muscles, can shear flesh and even crush bone. Next, tiger, 1,050 psi. The largest of all big cats, tigers can weigh over 600 pounds. Tigers are solitary hunters, using stealth and power to ambush prey, often dragging kills over long distances. Powerful bite for large ungulates and takedowns. Skull structure gives leverage for a crushing, killing bite. Stealth plus raw bite force equals lethal efficiency. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique, like a fingerprint, helping with camouflage in dense forests. Next, the spotted hyena, 1,100 to 1,200 psi. Hyenas are more closely related to cats than dogs. Their complex social structure rivals that of primates, with females leading the clan and being larger than males. Specialized carnassials and powerful jaws for crushing bone, they access marrow others can't reach. Their bite is vital to their scavenging success. Next, polar bear, 1,200 psi. The largest land carnivore, males can weigh over 1,500 pounds. Polar bears are expert swimmers, sometimes traveling for days between ice floes in search of seals. Bite crushes, skulls and breaches blubber and bone. Massive skull and neck muscles deliver immense clamp force. Now the gentle gorilla, 1,300 psi. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth. Despite their strength, gorillas are peaceful plant-eating giants that use their bite for defense and to process tough stems and bark. Their PSI is surprisingly high for a herbivore. Sagittal crest anchors huge jaw muscles for grinding tough vegetation. Power used for feeding and defense, not predation. Up next, marine hunters and apex biters. Bull shark, about 1,350 psi. Bull sharks can tolerate both salt and fresh water, allowing them to swim far up rivers and even into lakes. Powerful serrated teeth for shearing and sawing, thrives in brackish water, a dangerous proximity to humans. Head shakes use serrated teeth to maximize damage. Next, jaguar, 1,500 psi. Jaguars are expert swimmers and often hunt by ambushing prey at riverbanks. Jaguars have the strongest feline bite, can take armored prey like caimans and turtles. Their rosetted coat provides camouflage in dense forests and shadows. Next, the hippopotamus, 1,800 psi. Hippos can run up to 19 miles per hour on land despite their size. Highly territorial, responsible for many human fatalities, can bite or crush small boats, sheer destructive force. Bite used as dagger-like weapon in male fights. Hippos spend most of the day submerged to keep cool in the African heat. Next, American alligator, 2,125 psi. Alligators use a death roll to subdue and dismember prey. Measured in labs, textbook example of bone-crushing force. Combines clamp force with powerful rolling to tear prey apart. Closing muscles are massive, opening muscles weak. Captures fish to deer with terrifying efficiency. Next, saltwater crocodile, the living champion. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest living reptiles, with some males exceeding 20 feet. Saltwater crocodile measured 3,700 psi. Big individuals estimate up to 5,000 psi. Ambush predator. Jaws clamp with unimaginable force, can shatter bone and crush skulls instantly. Death roll plus interlocking teeth make dismemberment efficient. Massive size and armored hide built for predation. Next, the great white, 4,000 psi. Great whites can detect electrical signals from prey using special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. Breaching strikes scoop massive amounts of flesh. Serrated triangular teeth arranged in multiple rows. Computer models estimate enormous force from skull mechanics, designed to take energy-rich seals and sea lions. Finally, the orca, possibly the strongest bite estimate. Orcas use coordinated group tactics, sometimes creating waves to knock seals off ice floes. Huge conical interlocking teeth built for grip and tear. Intelligence and social hunting let them take whales and sharks. Direct measurement is rare, estimates based on size and leverage. This force suits hunting even very large marine prey. From mouse 16 psi up to the orca's staggering estimate, these are nature's biters. Top tier, great white saltwater crocodile and the orca at the summit. Remember, measurement methods vary, treat extreme values as best estimates. Which one surprised you? Drop a comment and hit like. Subscribe for more rapid wildlife breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Stay curious about the wild world around us.